Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aparna Lakshmanan S., Assistant Professor in Mathematics, St. Xavier's College for Women, Aluva. Today I am presenting the concept of Roman domination number of a graph. A basic knowledge of graph theory is assumed. Given a graph G with vertex set V, a subset S of the vertex set V is called a dominating set if every vertex in V is either present in S or is adjacent to a vertex in S. That is, the closed neighborhood of S is V. A dominating set is minimal dominating if none of its subsets are dominating. And the domination number denoted by gamma of G is the minimum cardinality of a dominating set. During World War, Emperor Constantine had to decide where to place his 4 army units to protect 8 regions. His strategy was to place the army units in such a way that in every region, either it is protected by an army unit which is present there, it can be 2 also, and a region where there is no army unit is protected by a neighboring region which has 2 army units. This concept was extended to graph theory to introduce the concept of Roman domination number. A Roman dominating function is a function f defined from the vertex set V to the set 0, 1, 2 in such a way that every vertex which is labeled 0 is adjacent to a vertex which is labeled 1. The weight of a Roman dominating function is the sum of values assigned to its vertices. The Roman domination number is the minimum possible weight of a Roman dominating function. For example, consider this graph. The vertices which are assigned values 0 are adjacent to a vertex which is assigned value 2. The only vertex which is not a neighbor of a vertex which is assigned 2 is given value 1 so that it is non-zero. So this is a Roman dominating function of the given graph, and we can see that this is going to be the minimum possible so that the Roman domination number of this graph is 3. Now, if we take a Roman dominating function and consider all vertices which are assigned non-zero values, then it becomes a dominating set of the original graph. So gamma of G is an obvious lower bound of gamma R of G. Also, take a dominating set, assign 2 to all those vertices in that dominating set, and what we get is a Roman dominating function. So twice gamma of G is an obvious upper bound of gamma R of G. That is, gamma R of G lies between gamma of G and twice gamma of G. The lower bound, that is gamma R of G equal to gamma of G, is attained only by the trivial graphs. That is, graphs which have vertices and no edges. Only vertices and no edges. And the graphs which attain the upper bound are called Roman graphs. The major reference of this concept is a paper introduced by 5 authors, Roman domination in graphs, which is published in Discrete Mathematics in 2004. I hope you understood the concept of Roman domination number. Happy reading. Thank you.